Next, we will be learning about how to get a particular elements from the matrix. This is our random matrix of order 4 cross 6. That is 4 rows are there and 6 columns are there. So I want to know that what is at this fourth row and second column. So I'll write R 4, comma 2. This means that this is the fourth row and this is the second column. So what is the element at that position? This is 0.687310. So this is we can easily get. We want that this element is not correct. We want to replace this element with 2. We want that this number should be 2. But this is incorrect. So I will replace like this. We will write R. So everything is same, but only this element is replaced to 2 because I replaced this one as 2. If I'll do R means I am just taking this fourth row and all columns. I mean, I am not writing anything. It means all columns are considered, and I am replacing it with nothing. Then this will get deleted. This row is getting deleted. This will we will see later on like how to delete a row or column from a matrix. This is just a normal intro of deleting the rows or columns, or just replacing any elements with a particular elements. And to get any entry of the matrix. So this is how we can get the entries. And next we will be studying about the transpose of the matrix. How to do the transpose of the matrix and what are the methods. Like we do, we raise the matrix to the power dash. We just write m dash and we can get the transpose of the matrix. So next we'll be learning about the transpose of the matrix. So we will enter a matrix S as 2, 4, 3, 1, 5, 8. So this is our matrix. We want to transpose the matrix. It means we want the rows to get the columns and columns to get into the rows. So what we will do? We will write a variable named trans, which is equals to S dash. S dash means whenever we do the matrix raised to the dash, then it converts the matrix to its transpose. So 2, 4, 3 is converted into the column, 3, 1, 1 is converted into another column, and this is how we can get the transpose. So next is deleting any kind of rows from a matrix or adding any kind of rows. So I'll write a random matrix RAND 5, 6. Means we'll get a matrix which is having 5 rows and 6 columns with random entries. So this is our random matrix. I want to delete this second row from the matrix. So how I will delete it? We will take R. Now what does this mean? This means that see the second row is getting deleted, but what it's doing here is we are giving a column, and then on the left side of the column represents the rows and the right side represents the columns. So we are writing left side. It means the rows number will be deleted, and this one is empty. It means that second row is replaced with the empty vectors, which is nothing. So it deletes the rows. Next is if we will instead of writing here, we will write to this side. Then this means the second row, this one is getting deleted. This one is there, this one is not there. Again, this one is there, this one is there, this one is there, and this one is there. So this is how we delete the columns. So for deleting the rows, we write to the left, and for columns, we write to the right. We want to delete this fifth column. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. We want to delete this fifth column. So what we will do? We will write 5 here. We'll write a colon, then comma, then 5, right side to this one, and then we'll replace it with the empty one. So this is how we delete the columns. Again, we want to delete this one, third row. So third row is deleted to. This is 0.33. This row is deleted now. So we have studied till now that all the matrix operations we studied till now. Now we'll be studying about how to add any rows or any columns. So this is our 1, 2, 3, 4. We wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, but we forgot to add one more rows which were there in our questions. So how to add this one? So there were also 4, 6 were there, but we forgot to add this one. So how we will add? So we will write C. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 6 got added to this one. How it got added? We wanted to add a new row. So we will be, for new row, we will be giving semicolons and then after the new row will get created. So this is how we can add the rows. But to add a column, what we will do is, B is 6. So this is 4, 6. Now A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and D is 4, 6. We want 4, 6 to be added in this column. So what we will do is, we will add, give the name AB. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is A and 4, 6 is D, which got added to the column. So when we want to add row, we will give semicolon so that a new row is created. But when we want to add column, then we don't have to give any semicolon. We will directly write like this. This is how we can add or any rows or columns. And previously we learned that how to delete any rows or columns. Now we'll be learning about the random numbers which with some gaps. So this is number 1. This is 1. This means the number starting from 1 ending to 10 with 1 gaps. I'll be giving another number with 2 gaps. So starting from 1 with 2 gaps and not exceeding 10. So this is how we can evenly give the numbers and what is the interval we want. So this is how we can get the numbers. And 3 is starting from 2. Number starting from 2 with 4 gaps and ending to 15. This is how we can get. We can write whatever the gap we want and we can get the numbers. We want 4 gaps between the numbers. We want 5 gaps between the numbers. And this is how we can get this one. But there is one more thing. This is linearly spaced, we say. So we'll write the variable name ls1, which we can choose it by ourselves. In space 2, 5, 4. What does this mean? This means that we want 4 numbers from 2 to 5. So this is the 4 numbers which are evenly spaced. We'll give you some other examples to make you clear what this means. Right, 10 means. It means we want 10 numbers starting from 2 ending to 5. We are not giving the gaps with what gap we want. We only are giving that we want 10 numbers from 2 to 5. So this is how it is giving the 10 numbers and the gaps are the same, but we are not bothered about the gap. We only want 10 numbers. But here we want that the gap should be 4. Here the gap should be 4. But here we don't want to write what gap we want. We only want the 10 numbers. We'll write we'll give another example. This is 3. 2 to 4, we want 19 numbers. So this is the 19 numbers starting from 2 ending to 4 and these are the numbers between 2 to 4 and the total numbers are 19. So this is how we can get the linearly spaced numbers. So this is all for today's lecture and we will be discussing more about Scilab and how to do numerical analysis questions in our next lecture and we will also learn what are these symbols for and how to use these things and what is the notepad. This is the notepad. Sign notes in which we can write multiple line codes. This is a single line code, but we can write multiple line codes also in this one and then we can execute in Scilab. So we'll be learning in our next lecture. Till now, thanks. Thanks for watching.